अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूँ, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड करूँ। We will discuss class 9th chapter 4 exercise 4.2. The exercise 4.2 is we have some formula, sphere, tubes, and we have values. The first question and first part is we have given a plus b is equal to 10 and a minus b is equal to 6, and we find the value of a square plus b square. Now we apply the formula, which is 2a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. Now we put the value of a plus b and a minus b to solve the question. 2a square plus b square is equal to a plus b is 10, it means 10 square, plus a minus b is 6 square. Now we solve it, which is 10 square is equal to 100, 6 square is equal to 36, and the answer is 136, and which is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. And now we divide both sides by 2, we get a square plus b square is equal to 136 over 2, and which is 68. And answer. The part second is we have a plus b is equal to 5 and a minus b is equal to 17 square root, and we find the value of a to b. Now we apply the formula, which is 4ab is equal to a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now we put the values of a plus b and a minus b. We have 5 square minus a minus b is square root 17 whole square. Now we solve it. 5 square is equal to, we have 25 minus square and square root cancel, we have 70, and 25 minus 17 is equal to 8, which is equal to a into b, or a to b, and we find the value of a. So we divided both sides by 4, we get on the left side, when we divide the 4 cancel with the 4, and on the right side we have a over 2, which is equal to 2. So ab is equal to 2. The question 3 is, sorry, here is question 2. Here is question 2, in which we have a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 45, and other value is a plus b plus c is equal to 1. Sorry, a plus b plus c is equal to minus 1, and we find the value of ab plus bc plus c. So it is also a formula we have, in which first we takes care of a plus b plus c whole square is equal to minus 1 square. Take the square both sides, we get a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to minus 1 square is plus 1, And now we put the value of a square plus b square plus c square, which is 45. 45 plus, we take common 2 from 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. We have 2 into ab plus bc, c is equal to 1. Now we subtract 45 both sides. We have 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 1 minus 45. And the answer is 2 into ab plus bc plus ca is equal to minus 44. 1 minus 45 is minus 44. Now we divided both sides by 2. We get AB plus BC minus plus CA is equal to minus 44 over 2, which is equal to minus 22. And the answer of AB plus BC plus CA is equal to minus 22. M plus N plus P is equal to 10 and Mn plus Np plus Mp is equal to 27, and we find the value of M square plus N square plus P square. The same question like question 2. We take the square of M plus N plus P, which is M plus N plus P whole square, taking square both sides. And now we take the square M plus N plus P is M square plus N square plus P square plus 2 Mn plus 2 Np plus 2 Mp is equal to, and square is equal to 100. Now we put the values of Mn plus Np plus Mp, which is M square plus N square plus P square. First we take common 2 from these values, and in the bracket Mn plus Np plus Mp is equal to 100. M square plus N square plus P square plus 2 into 27 is equal to 100. Now simplify these values. M square plus N square plus P square plus 2 multiplied by 7, we have 54 is equal to 100. Now we find the value of M square plus N square plus P square is equal to 100 minus, we shift 54 on the right side, 100 minus 54, which is equal to, take 1 from the 10, we have 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, here is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So M square plus N square plus P square plus Y square plus Z square is equal to 78, and XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 59, and we find the value of X plus Y plus Z. In this question, we take square of X plus Y plus Z. X plus Y plus Z whole square, which is equal to X square plus Y square plus Z square plus 2XY plus 2YZ plus 2ZX. Now we put the values of X square plus Y square plus Z square. We have X plus Y plus Z whole square is equal to, here is X square plus Y square plus Z square, whose value is 78, plus we take common 2 from these values, which is 2 into XY plus YZ plus ZX. And now we put the values of value of XY plus YZ plus ZX, which is 59. It is 78 plus 2 into 59. And now we solve it. 78 plus 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 and 1 11. And now we simplify these values. 8 plus 8 is 16, 1 carry, 1 and 1 2, 2 and 7 9 and 196, and it is equal to x plus y plus z whole square. Now we take square root both sides. On the left side we have x plus y plus z, because square and square root cancel each other. And 196 square root is 40 plus minus, which x plus y plus z is equal to 12, x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 64. And we find the value of xy plus yz plus zx. The same method. First we take the square of x plus y plus z. X plus y plus z is equal to 12. We take square both sides, and the values are x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx is equal to 12 square is 144. And on the next step, we take common 2 from these values, and we get x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 144. Now we put the values of x square plus y square plus z square, which is 64, plus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 144. Now we shift 64 on the right hand side. We get 2 into xy yz plus zx is equal to 144 minus 64. We get 2 xy yz plus zx is equal to, subtract 64 from 144, 4 minus 4 is equal to 0, and 14 minus 6 is equal to 8. And then we divided by 2 both sides. We get xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 80 over 2, which is equal to 40. So the value of xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 44. X plus y is equal to 7 and xy is equal to 12. And we find the value of x power 3 and y's power 3. It is the cubes of the values. So we start x plus y is equal to 7. We take cube both sides, 7 x plus y cube and 7 cube. X plus y cube is x3 plus y3 plus 3xy into x plus y is equal to 7's power 3. 7 sevens are 49, 49 sevens are 343. And then we put the value of xy and x plus y. We get x3 plus y3 plus 3 into xy is 12 and x plus y is equal to 7 is equal to 340. x3 plus y3 plus, we multiply 3 by 12 and 7. The answer is 3 multiplied by 12 is 36. 36 sevens are 252. 252 is equal to 343. So we find the value of x3 plus y3 is equal to 343 minus 252. So we subtract 252 from 343, which is equal to 91. Take carry 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 4 we take carry from 3, it is 14. 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. And the value of x3 plus y3 is equal to 19. We have 3x plus 4y is equal to 11 and xy is equal to 12. And we find the value of 27x3 plus 64y3. So first we take the cube of 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y, taking cube both sides, is equal to 11 cube. Here is we take cube. The answer is 3x cube is 27x3 plus 4y cube is 64y cube plus 3 into x, which is 3x, y, which is 4y, into 3x plus 4y is equal to 11 cube is equal to 1331. And now we simplify. Let us simplify. We have 27x3 plus 64y3 plus 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 xy into 3x plus 4y is equal to 1331. Now we put the value of xy and 3x plus 4y. 27x3 plus 64y3 plus 36 into 12 into 11 is equal to 1331. Now we simplify these values. 27x3 plus 64y3 plus we multiply 36 with 12 and then 11. We get the value is 4752 is equal to 1331. And at last we find the value of 27x3 and 64y3 is equal to, we shift 4752 on the left side, which is 1331 minus 4752, and we subtract 4752 from 1331. The answer we get is minus 3421, and which is equal to 27x3 plus 64y3. X minus y is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 21. X minus y is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 21, and we find the value of x3 minus y3. So we take cube both sides of x minus y and 4, and taking cube of both sides we get x3 minus y3 minus 3xy into x minus y is equal to 4. 3 mean 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. So 4 4s are 16, 16 4 are 64. Now we put the value of xy, which is 21, and x minus y, which is 4. We get x3 minus y3 minus 3 into 21 into 4 is equal to 64. The values are x3 minus y3 minus. We multiply 3 with 21 and then 4. 3 4s are 12, 12 1s are 12, 1 carry, 12 2s are 24 and 25. 252 is equal to 64. And the answer is x3 minus y3 is equal to. We shift minus 252 on the right side, we get 64 plus 252. And the answer is x3 minus y3 is equal to, we add these two values, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, 1 carry, 2 and 1 3. We have 5x minus 6y is equal to 13 and other xy is equal to 6, and we find the value of 125x3 minus 216y3. So we apply the cube on 5x minus 6y. 5x minus 6y whole cube is equal to 13 cube. 125x3 minus 216y3 minus 3 into 5x into 6y into 5x minus 6y is equal to, we take cube of 30, which is 2197. And now we simplify these values. We get 125x3 minus 216y3 minus 3 5s are 15, 15 6 are 90 into xy, and 5x minus 6y is equal to 2197. Now we put the value of xy and 5x minus 6, which is 13 and 6 respectively. We get 5x3 minus 216y3 minus 90. Xy is 6 and 5x minus 6y is 30 is equal to 2197. Now we simplify these values. We get 125x3 minus 216y3 minus, when we multiply 9, 6 and 13, we get 7020 is equal to 2197. And for finding the value of 125x3 minus 216y3, we shift minus 7020 on the right side. We get 125x3 minus 216y3 is equal to 2197 minus 7020. So we get the values of 125x3 minus 216y3. So we, sorry, this is minus, and on the left side this value is added. Now we add these values. 7 plus 0 is 7, 9 plus 2 is equal to 11, 1 carry, 1 and 1 2, 7 and 2 9. 90,270 is the answer of. We have x plus 1 over x is equal to 3, and we find the value of x3 plus 1 over x3. So we take cube of x plus 1 over x3 both side. X plus 1 over x whole 3 is equal to 3's power 3. Now we take cube both side. We get x3 plus 1 over x3 plus 3 into x and into 1 over x, and the other into x plus 1 over x is equal to 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Now simplify these values. X cancel with x, and we put the value of x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x, and get x power 3 plus 1 over x power 3 plus 3 into x plus 1 over x is equal to 3 is equal to 27. Simplify it. X power 3 plus 1 over x power 3. Here is 3 multiplied with 3 is 9, 27. Now we shift plus 9 on the right side, which is become the minus 9. And the answer is x3 plus 1 over x3 is equal to 27 minus 9. 27 minus 9 is equal to 18. And the value of x3 plus 1 over x3 is equal to, we have x minus 1 over x is equal to 7. And we find the value of x3 minus 1 over x3. So in this question, we take cube both sides of x minus 1 over x and 7. We get x minus 1 over x whole power 3 is equal to 7's power 3. So we take cube of both sides. We get x3 minus 1 over x3 minus 3 into x into 1 over x and into x minus 1 over x. is equal to 7's power 3. Means 7 7s are 49. 49 3s are 343. Simplify it. This x cancel with x. And we put the value of x minus 1 over x, which is 7. x3 minus 1 over x3 minus 3 into 7, 343. Now simplify these values. x3 minus 1 over x3, it is equal to 3 7s are 21 minus 21 is equal to 343. So the value for x3 minus 1 over x3 is equal to 343 plus 21. So the answer is x3 minus 1 over x3 is equal to, we add 343 with 21, we get 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and